Network Technology GSM CDMA HSPA EVDO LTE 5G. Launch announced. Expected announcement 2024, September. Status rumored. EXP release 2024, September. Body dimensions 163 by 77.6 by 8.3 mm 6.42 by 3.06 by 0.33 in. Weight 225 g, 7.94 Oz. Build glass front, Corning made glass. Glass back, Corning made glass. Titanium frame, grade 5. SIM nanoSIM and eSIM international. Dual eSIM with multiple numbers, USA. Dual SIM nanoSIM, dual standby, China. IP68 dust water resistant, up to 6M for 30 minutes. Apple Pay, Visa, MasterCard, Amex certified. Display type LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED, 120Hz, HDR10, Dolby Vision. Size 6.9 inches, 116.3 square centimeters, 92.0% screen-to-body ratio. Resolution 1328 by 2878 pixels, 19.5:9 ratio, 460 ppi density. Protection ceramic shield glass always on display. Platform OS iOS 18. Chipset Apple A18 Pro, 3 nanometers. CPU hexacore. GPU Apple GPU. Memory card slot no. Internal 256GB 8GB RAM, 512GB 8GB RAM, 1TB 8GB RAM NVMe. Main camera. Triple 48MP, f1.8, 24mm wide, 11.28-inch, 1.22 micrometers, dual pixel PDAF, sensor shift OIS 12MP, f2.8, 120mm periscope telephoto, 13.06, 1.12 micrometers, dual pixel PDAF, 3D sensor shift OIS. 5x optical zoom 48MP, ultra wide, dual pixel DAF TOF 3D LiDAR scanner, depth. Features dual LED dual tone flash, HDR, photo panorama. Video 4K at 24/25/30/60 frames per second, 1080p at 25/30/60,120,240 frames per second, 10-bit HDR, Dolby Vision HDR, up to 60 frames per second, ProRes, cinematic mode, 4K at 24/30 frames per second, 3D spatial video, stereo sound rec. Selfie camera. Single 12MP, f1.9, 23mm wide, 13.6-inch, PDAF, OISSL 3D, depth biometrics sensor. Features HDR, cinematic mode, 4K at 24/30 frames per second. Video 4K at 24/25/30/60 frames per second, 1080p at 25/30/60 frames per second, EuroEIS. Sound. Loudspeaker yes, with stereo speakers. 3.5mm jack no. Comms. WLAN Wi-Fi 802.11 ABG and AC6E7, dual band, hotspot. Bluetooth 5.4, A2DP, LE. Positioning GPS L1 plus L5, GLONASS y Galileo, BDIS, QZSS, Navisi. NFC yes. Radio no. USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2, DisplayPort. Features. Sensor Space ID, accelerometer, Euro, proximity, compass, barometer. Ultra-wideband 2, UWB support. Emergency SOS via satellite, SMS sending receiving. Battery. Type Li-ion 4676 mAh, non-removable. Charging wired, PD 2.0, 50% in 30 minutes, advertised. 15W wireless, MagSafe. 15W wireless, Qi2. 4.5W reverse wired. Miscellaneous colors: black titanium, white titanium, blue titanium, natural titanium.